Okay, episode 22 of our 2017 Mk7 Golf R. In this video, we're going to work on getting the accessories stripped off the engine in preparation for separating the head, block, and transmission.
So you expect them to get this ready?
Well, we do something right. What's that?
What's this? T30.
Cut it. So now we can zip all these back in here.
Yeah, I can see the capture piece here.
Alright, so now I've had some stuff where it's captured and then it's actually not.
Yeah.
Because it's like, it's just broken. Because that goes on to there.
This might have to come out. Well, it's all getting replaced anyway. Here. It'll either break or it won't. Popped off, right? Yeah. Here, set it right over here near the floor, turn it upside down, shake, see what falls out. Oh. Oh, is that? It doesn't look like it's straight in. Keep going. It was your bolts.
Yeah, that was this.
What was that? Okay. I'm saying okay, like I can lift.
We are going to need a couple specialty tools to go any further. In the next episode, we'll separate the engine and transmission and start assembly of the engine stand.
Right flat on the ground.
Make sure you guys look out for episode 23. Thanks for watching.
Well, we will have to lift it up in order to get